Hello learners, welcome to this session of practical. Myself Gayatri P, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, presently working at Government First Grade College, Sulya, Dakshina, Kannada. In this session, we learn about how to draw the animated polar curve using Maxima. So first we open the console of WX Maxima, Graphical User Interface. Open the file here already typed. The question is, trace the polar curve of r of theta equal to cos 4 theta gradually using WX Maxima or Maxima. Now we write the command. First input is kill all dollar. That means we clear the memory. Enter. Now write T. T means that is graph of. So within double inverted comma we write graph of. Next put the dollar sign. Next entering we write r of theta, that is the given equation. So r of theta here is to equal to cos within bracket 4 star theta. 4 star theta. Next put the dollar sign. Now give a space, write T1. T1 means, or you can write entering, you can write T1 colon concate. That concate means we are merging concate of T comma that the output of the previous command r of theta colon equal to cos 4 theta. So we write here string within bracket percentage, that is output of the previous command. Then put the dollar sign, enter. Now we write scene. Scene means we starts from empty scene. So we write here only that square brackets, then put the dollar sign. Next we write the for loop. For I starts from, that is I is to 0 to, that means through 0 through 100 do. 0 through 100 do. Next enter. You write here make parenthesis. We write scene. Here also colon append. Append is a command used inside a for loop. So append within parenthesis again write scene comma square bracket gr2d, that is the command for animated polar curve gr2d. Within parenthesis we write grid equal to true. The commands are grid equal to true, grid is needed, comma x-axis equal to true, x-axis equal to true, comma y-axis equal to true, comma write the x range equal to -2 to +2. You can take -3 to +3, -4 to -4. That shows the graph. Here I am taking -2 to 2, comma y range is also same. y range is equal to minus minus 2 comma 2 here, then put comma. Now write title of the graph, that is T1. So title equal to, title of the graph is T1, comma n ticks equal to 100, n ticks equal to 100, comma color of the graph is blue, color of the graph blue we can write, or you can give red, green, like that. I am giving blue here, comma, then we write dimensions equal to 600, comma 600, that is dimension of the animated polar curve, the region. So comma, next we write proportional underscore axis equal to xy. Proportional underscore axis equal to xy means x-axis and y-axis have the same range. Next we write the last command here, that is polar. Within bracket we write r of theta. Again put comma here. Theta is the angle. It varies from, theta is the angle varies from 0 to 2 pi I by 100 for one scene. So totally we need 100 scenes, so 101 scenes. So here we write 0 to 2 pi. So 2 star 2 pi I. So 2 star percentage pi, that is pi, star, that is multiplication with imaginary unit I, divided by 100. Now put the dollar sign outside. Next enter. Now you write draw within bracket delay. Delay is used to view the animated polar curve. A delay equal to 30. You can use any number more than 30 or like that. So next delay equal to 30. I am giving the file name, file underscore name. File name is equal to, within double inverted comma we write animated underscore polar underscore curve. Next put comma, terminal equal to, terminal equal to animated underscore GIF. Animated underscore GIF. Here put comma. Next we write the scene. So here I am entering here. Here we write scene. SCENE, scene. Then put a dollar sign. Now the last command is print option. So write print within bracket double inverted comma. Now open the animation file. Now open the animation file. Open the animation file. Now open the animation file. Then finally we put the dollar sign. Now press the keys shift and enter. We will get the animation file. It takes a time. See, message from Maxima's streams here 101 frames in animation. Now open the animation file. Now I am going to animation file. See here animation I already created. Here question animation ones. See animated polar curve. Opening this, we can see the animated polar curve of r of theta equal to cos 4 theta. This is a 8-leaved rose. Similarly, we can find the animated polar curves of other polar equations. So, students, I hope all of you understood and enjoyed this part of the practical session. Thanks to all. Thank you.